Alright, we just drove down here from up here, parked right here. I have no idea what that says. And we've got this fancy bridge. Got nice cables. This is real, guys. That must be the old bridge. Ah, it's electric. Don't be afraid. They must have more water, because that you get killed there. Elephant Discovery Chiang Mai. We're at Elephant Discovery. We've been walking for a while. And here we are. Outhouses. In the Philippines, they wouldn't bother with that. They just tell you go back by the woods. Or just whip it out. I got me a rock and roll band.
Lemongrass. Ginger.
What is this?
This is lemongrass.
Oh, that's better than our lemongrass.
Yeah, it's just the same. It's just that the lemongrass.
Oh, they took the stems off.
Yes.
All right, there's our food.
We can throw this one.
He can't. Yeah,
That's very good soap.
they cut the ends off
yeah,
because it's hard to digest.
Whoa, whoa, really? Go, go, go. Whoa. What's it? Whoa.
Go ahead.
Playing camera. Camera.
This might be what you call close.
How old are these?
32?
27.
37 years old.
Really?
27.
27.
Mosquito. Mosquito.
What am I doing with this?
Mosquito?
Mosquito. Yeah.
That's very big.
Very big.
What is it?
Mosquito.
Oh,
We
I don't want no
We
mosquito.
don't call it a mosquito in the
Elephant
Philippines.
Elephant.
Very big.
Look at the size of that mosquito. Man, that tops Florida. No, they got tiny ones in Florida. That tops Michigan.
Oh, this 22. Linda. Yeah.
Linda.
Linda with the keeper behind. Bakali Sanya.
How old's a baby?
1 year 4 months.
1 year, 4 months.
With elephant keeper. Pogba.
Oh, is that the tongue?
You can see the teeth inside.
The tongue. Look at the tongue.
Look the crown. The teeth. Go, go. 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 Go, 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 go. Bozo, bozo.
Very big mouth.
Watching me.
Oh.
They eat 10% of their body weight. So he takes 350.
350.
Anyway, a piece. A piece.
Yeah.
So they got big overhead and lots of work to do.
Big. Bon, bon, singer, bon. Singer, bon. Yeah, turn around. Okay, look at me. Look camera. Mama coming.
Mama! Ah! No cheating.
Bit more for mama.
No cheating. Mama eats a lot. Oh, this one, who's this?
This is Linda.
Ah, you eat a lot, ah? Oh,
Sing on, take it.
oh, mama. Oops. No more. The baby.
Right. That'd be difficult for him for chewing. Yeah.
No more.
Like
Oh, eating soil.
oh yes, like sodium.
Ah,
Yeah. Elephant, buffalo, cow, horse. They need sodium.
sodium.
Yeah, sodium. Yeah.
What do they do?
Eating.
you eat the leaves first.
Those ears make great fans.
Eat.
The other end. Oh, he wants banana. He didn't want none of this. He said, man, I don't want that green leafy salad. I want banana. He leans on that post. And you can feel it. Hi.
7,400 or 500 elephant, domestic and the wild. Your village. Ai, bà Ly, hello. This you can see how we peel the rice. You can see the white rice. Yeah.
Oh, that's rice?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Rice,
that's the manual.
vitamin, carbohydrate, turn to be fiber, sugar. When we want to separate, like this.
He's shucking it
Yeah.
there.
From those boy
Comes off the top.
rock salt,
Little
sodium,
rock salt.
sodium iodine, yeah, and all ingredient mix. Tamarind, like a tamarind juice, tamarind candy, very good for the digestion. What? I need what? มีงาน I nên một chai các bạn, nên một chai water. Good. Everything mix. Like you make chili paste for curry. Yeah. Bao bác Ali Sanya. Do slow. They're not sweating like us from the skin. From the toenail. But
Oh, it's okay. I'm. He's nice and warm.
Bo. Ah! Inside
Put
the
it
bowl?
in. Put your hand in. Here. To give it the little one.
Little one?
Yeah.
No, not
No,
the
no.
little one.
Okay.
bone, Linda, bone.
He's gonna steal it. I want it. I want it. Some of that sweet sugar. Huh? Right.
Oh, no.
Yeah, my friend, you can feed singer. Yeah. You can ask to.
Took my whole hand. Very soft.
Sure, I will shut the bowl. I will shut the
You might say I'm in here.
Again.
Again.
Bo. Ah!
Ah, I got her.
Again. Oh, you have very big mouth. Again. Oh.
Oh, I felt that breeze.
You can say bone.
Bone. Ah. Oh my God. Very big mouth.
Bone.
Bone.
He's very soft, actually.
Bone.
Very soft.
Will eat your camera, babe. Bone.
Man, he's got a whole mouthful of them. Better slow down, let him chew them.
Now chew it first.
Yeah, you got him. We got him. You're gonna get him.
Chew. Bone. Ah!
Bone. Singing bone.
Bone.
Hey,
Bone. Ah.
Bone.
De vez en cuando te abraza con la trompa. Chew it first. Ayun, pet na bro.
oh, that one was rotten. There we go. Really soft.
Very soft, yeah.
Look at it.
About the
It scares me. It's really not dangerous. I mean,
Bone, mama.
Bone.
put your hand in there.
No more.
Yes, this one. For me, yeah. Because we feed more for mama.
Mama eat a lot. Mama.
Bone.
You might say we're close.
Oh my God. He gets laps. Bone. Ow! Mama eats many. Bone.
Because
I should have taken it in the beginning,
we go this way.
but the rack was full of bananas.
Walking with the elephant.
Walking with the
God, they are so tall.
Each one has a trainer. He looks happy.
Babe.
Huh?
The fence elephant that's before the
Yeah, like I said earlier, he said the water is really low. Got to come here during the winter. We lived on. We got a creek you could drink out of. In fact, my
You really
hometown.
didn't get the head of the